Well, good evening, everyone. What a day. We got to see quite a bit of rain across parts of the Rio Grande Valley. Things are starting to slowly quiet down. 81 degrees, that is your current temperature at the airport. Easterly winds at about 5 miles an hour. This is a picture of our radar right now where you can actually start to see very slight chances of redevelopment of some of these storms as some of this moisture continues to move on land. So for us to really expect to see thunderstorms overnight, it's going to be a very limited chance for tonight into tomorrow morning, but we do have a much better chance for more storm activity tomorrow afternoon. That's what it looks like as of now. Rain totals across the entire region. Well, in the last 24 hours, we only managed to get a trace of rain in Weslaco, 0.33 inches in McAllen, and everywhere else staying rather dry for today. But again, tomorrow's going to be another active day. 90 degrees in Brownsville was your official high this afternoon, 90 in Harlingen, 89 in Weslaco, 90 in McAllen. Here's how we compare. 91 is normal for this time of the year, so for us, it was quite seasonal. This morning, we woke up to about 74 degrees, and we expect to see the same going into tonight, into tomorrow morning. So here in Brownsville, actually, and much of the Rio Grande Valley, it's going to be one of the few places across the entire country that we're actually going to be staying below normal, meaning we're going to be seeing temperatures cooler than those average temperatures. Keep in mind, 91 is normal, so we'll be slightly below that for tomorrow. The reason? Well, we're getting quite a bit of moisture, so all that cloud cover is actually going to keep us a little bit on the cooler side of things as we move on through into tomorrow. 76 degrees, your forecast overnight low. 74 in the upper valley. We'll see a slight chance for some scattered showers throughout the overnight hours. Tomorrow, we're going to dip to about 89 degrees, so not much of a difference compared to today, but we're still staying below average. 90 in McAllen for tomorrow. Again, another round of storms, about 60% chance for some scattered thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. The reason why? Well, you can thank this tropical storm Cristobal. It is towards the Gulf of Mexico, just towards the Bay of Campeche, and this is going to continue to move northward. So as that happens, we're going to get all that tropical moisture moving right into our region, giving us another chance for storm activity throughout the next several days. So here's a look at your 7-day forecast. 91 degrees on Thursday with a 40% chance of rain, 50% chance Friday, 40% chance Saturday, and then we'll slowly begin to dry out. And as we do, triple digits are back for the McAllen area. That's Monday and Tuesday of next week. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.